just picked this up. Just a quick little video about this CNC.
Dolphins play in the ocean.
Sound quality on these is always wonderful, isn't it?
These seals are going fishing.
These seals are going fishing.
The woodpecker likes making holes. The bear sleeps all winter.
That fell right on Chipmunk.
Chipmunks like gathering nuts. Owls stay up all night. Coyotes love to howl.
A lot of these animals sound the same.
Rabbits like to hide in the desert.
The rabbits around here don't hide in the desert.
The elephant has the longest nose.
That's a purple elephant. I wonder if it's related to the pink elephant.
The tiger has fancy stripes. The monkey likes to play in trees.
Here's my favorite. Check out the sound of this whale.
Whales are the largest creatures.
I don't know if that sounded like a whale or not. Let's play it again.
Whales are the largest creatures.
It sounds like a wounded horse. We already did dolphin. Yeah, this is a fun little piece I picked up. And had to clean it up. It was pretty dirty. But just thought I would share it. This was probably the first video on this channel. And I'm just picking up. I'm going to try to make videos as I pick things up and do a few other things. But just a quick run through of this old CNC. Hope you enjoyed it. Have a good one.